To activate Lloyds online banking, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, ensure you have your account details and a valid form of identification ready. Start by going to the Lloyds website and clicking on the Register for Online Banking link. You will then be asked to enter your personal details, including your account number and sort code. Next, you will need to choose a username and password for your online banking account. It is essential to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account from unauthorized access. You will also be asked to set up security questions and answers, which will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive an activation code by post or text message. Enter this code on the Lloyds website to activate your online banking account. You can then log in to your account using your username and password. To log in, go to the Lloyds website and click on the Login link. Enter your username and password, and then answer one of your security questions. You will then have access to your account information, including your balance, transactions, and statements. You can also use online banking to pay bills, transfer money, and manage your accounts. It is crucial to keep your online banking account secure by using a strong password, keeping your computer and mobile devices up to date with the latest security software, and being cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi. Additionally, always log out of your account when you have finished using it and monitor your accounts regularly for any suspicious activity. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can easily activate and use Lloyds online banking to manage your accounts and conduct financial transactions securely and efficiently.